How to change font in Instagram bio. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Safari or your browser area, and then just type their IG font. So you have to pick this https and this igfonts.io. This just tap on that here, and on the upper part you will see add text here, then scroll down. So let's say you want to put subscribe. So you will put your words there. Then here you will see different fonts type. Let's say this one, just double tap it and then tap on copy. Then you go here to your Instagram application and go to your profile, then tap on edit profile here. Now under edit profile, tap on or go to bio here. As you can see, I have already put a different font there. So let's add another font. Let's just erase this. And then let's add font by pasting it here and then tap on done. Now, if you go back here to your profile, as you can see, we have now successfully changed our font in Instagram bio. And basically, that is how you change font in Instagram bio. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.